This trim clip here is even more different yet. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I'm going to replace this insert here with one of these F1 style lights. I've had this for a while and just haven't put it on. The reason I have to take my bumper off to do this is for two reasons. The trunk pan doesn't give me enough clearance to get my hands in there to get this mounted in. Also, someone cut the plastic on the inside of this, so the normal mounting surface of this bumper is not there. So I'm going to have to do something creative to get this mounted on. It's easier to do that if I have the bumper off. Here's some of the tools you'll need to get the trim clips out. This trim prior tool right here is really handy. This one is also handy. It actually gets in underneath and you can pry it out. A flat tip screwdriver and another trim tool. All right, first one we're going to remove is this one here on the passenger side. This is not the right clip for here. I'm going to put the right trim clip in here from the kit that I have over on my workbench. But for now, let's get this old one out here that doesn't belong. Just be careful with it, pull it out. Yeah, that's not the right clip. Just get in the flat spot of the trim clip and just gently pull up so that it pops the top of it out of place. That is what releases the tangs inside. And then sometimes you can pull them out by hand like that. Sometimes you might need to use your trim tool to get them out. If these have been on here for a minute, like mine have, there's a lot of gunk built up in there, a lot of road grime, and these may break. But again, I have a set to replace these if I need to.
5 minutes later.
Let's move to this one and this one. If I can get you in there, this next one will be right here. And then the same one on the other side. You can probably get a better view now of this one right here.